And now in this video, we are going to continue with the exploration report that we have created before. So here we can add the other metrics like event count and transactions, which are very much important to be tracked in any website because this is an event-based model. We need to count the event count because in order to track any events, we have been sending it to GA and also the transactions that occur and the active users we have, and we are applying the country dimension here as a row, and we can also apply a device category as under the column. And from these reports we can create audience, so that could be done by selecting a particular segment. So I have added the device category to this, and we can create a audience from these segments, and then we can use this audience for the further usage. So this is getting updated. But yes, we have the details right now, and now I would like to create a segment from this. So for that we need to mention the country ID. I would like to create an audience for the Brazil segment, and I'm going to contains BR, the country ID, and I'm going to build an audience based on this segment. And also here we can have several condition groups, and as a condition group we can add several groups over here, or we can just remove it and also add a sequence. We can also remove or exclude some group of people from here. So this is the segment I'm interested in, as the country is equal to Brazil, and we can build an audience depend on this, and we can also mention the membership duration or set it to a maximum limit, and I'm going to save and publish this. So this is how we create an audience from the segments which we are interested in the report. I hope this is some internal error, but there's no problem. But we could just create the segment from these tables, and we can also include or exclude some sections from this report. And this is how we're going to create several other audiences from the other reports or the techniques we use, and we are going to use the other techniques in our videos.